cryptocurrencies have grown into a global phenomenon that most people are aware of. But few understand. By 2022, it will be difficult to find a large bank, accounting firm, software firm, or government that hasn't looked into cryptocurrencies or begun a blockchain project. Many individuals beyond the clamor and press announcements fail to grasp the fundamentals. So let's have a look at the entire story. What are cryptocurrencies and how do they work? In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. A payment network containing accounts, balances, and transactions is required to create digital cash that is simple to comprehend. Preventing double spending is a major issue that any payment network must address. To put it another way, it's to keep one entity from spending the same money again. In a decentralized network, this is usually done by a central server that maintains track of all the balances. You don't have this server, thus you'll have to rely on every single network entity to complete this task. Every peer in the network need a complete list of all transactions in order to determine whether future transactions are valid or an effort to double spend. But how can these organizations come to an agreement on these records? Everything crashes if the network's peers disagree on a single minor balance. They want complete agreement. Nobody knew how to do that until Satoshi showed it could be done. Cryptocurrencies play an important role in the solution. We'll use the network's transactions to demonstrate this. A transaction is a file that states Bob gives Alice X Bitcoin and is digitally signed by Bob. The transaction is published to the network once it has been signed, and it is sent from one peer to every other peer. This is conventional peer-to-peer technology. There's nothing noteworthy going on here. The transaction is confirmed once a certain length of time has passed. Transactions can only be confirmed by miners. In a cryptocurrency network, this is their duty. They take transactions, stamp them as valid, and disseminate them around the network. Every node must add a transaction to its database after it has been confirmed by a miner. It must be integrated into the blockchain. Miners are paid in cryptocurrency, such as bitcoins, for their efforts. A miner can be anyone. To qualify for the work, they simply need to employ some of their computer's processing power. To solve a cryptographic challenge, each miner competes. As a reward for finding a solution, a miner might confirm the transaction and add it to the blockchain. They are then paid in the form of a cryptocurrency by the network. In this way, a network of independent individuals is financially motivated to maintain the transaction history's integrity. That's all there is to it. Cryptocurrencies are the cornerstone to Satoshi's solution to the complex digital cash challenge of maintaining integrity and consensus across diverse and potentially hostile entities. Cryptocurrencies are effectively a monetary reward for everyone willing to help maintain the network safe.